Let's take a look at the ways to make 5. Get 5 objects and lay them out in a row. Take a pencil and separate them. Have your child tell you how many objects they see on both sides of the pencil.
2 and 3. 4 and 1. 1 and 4. 2 and 3. 3 and 2. 0 and 5. 5 and 0. 2 and 3.
Do this until you think your child is starting to remember the combinations 2 and 3, 1 and 4, 5 and 0. Next, instead of the pencil, use a sheet of paper so your child can see only one set of the numbers. See if they can remember how many are on the other side.
2 and 3. 4 and 1. 3 and 2. 1 and 4. 3 and 2.
If they struggle with this step, go back and use the pencil again until they get better at that, and then try this again. Once they are mostly comfortable with the combinations, we can switch to the card games. I've got a deck of cards here, and I've taken out all the cards that are higher than the number 5. And in this case, aces are 1s. The first card game is called Make the Sum. I shuffle the cards and I place them on the table. My son and I are going to take turns drawing a card and placing it on the table. We're going to be looking for 2 cards that add up to 5, or just a 5 by itself, since card decks don't come with zeros. Encourage your child to say 4 and 1 make 5 each time they get a match. Go ahead. 5 and 0 make 5.
2 and 3 make 5. 3 and 2 make 5.
1 and 4 make 5. 1 and 4 make 5.
5 and 0 makes 5. 5 and 0 makes 5.
3 and 2 makes 5.
4 and 1 makes 5.
5 plus 0 is 5.
2 and 3 makes 5.
Okay, now the goal of that game, if you want to count them, is to see who got more cards. Alright, now the second game we're going to play is just Go Fish. But instead of asking the other player for the same number you have in your hand, you will ask for a card that makes 5 with a card in your hand. And here we'll demonstrate. I'm going to start out with 3 cards each. And you want to take out anything that's already a match. So I have a 5 here. I'm going to take that one out. Okay, go ahead and ask.
Do you have any 1s?
I have a 1. Show the 4.
I have a 4. 1 and 4 makes 5.
Okay, so he's out of cards now. I'm going to give him another card. Do you have any 3s?
Go Fish.
2 and 3 make 5, so I'm going to pick another card since I ran out.
Do you have any 1s? 1 and 4 makes 5.
Okay, we both need a new card now. Do you have any 2s?
Go Fish.
Your turn.
Do you have any 1s?
Go Fish. Do you have any 2s?
Go Fish. Do you have any 1s?
Go Fish. Do you have any 2s?
Go Fish.
I drew a 2, so 3 and 2 makes 5. Your turn.
Do you have any ones?
Go fish. Do you have any twos?
Yes.
3 and 2 makes 5. Your turn.
Do you have any ones? 1 and 4 makes 5.
And I have a 5 and he has a 5. So you just play till you have no more cards to go. And again, if you want to count who wins based on who gets more cards. That's how to make 5.